Okay, let's go straight across to our correspondents on the spot, Shreya Chatterjee, who's tracking the investigation at Red Fort. Maria Shakil has also been there for the last couple of hours. I want to come to Shreya first because you've been talking to the police. I just heard a short... Okay, we'll come to Shreya. Shreya, we've been hearing from the police commissioner. He's saying an investigation is taking place, but at the same time, an NSG team, NIA team arriving at the spot, clearly suggesting the police are not ruling out the possibility now, therefore, of a possible terror attack. They're being very cautious about it. He has not used the T word, but the very fact NIA, NSG teams have arrived suggests that this was not just an ordinary blast that took place.
Well, Rajdeep, I've had a word with a very senior official in the Delhi Police Special Cell, and he has confirmed it to India Today that they are not ruling out the terror angle. They are right now working with the multi-agencies on the ground. That includes the NSG, the NIA, as you rightly suggested. They are all on the ground. The forensic team is on the ground. I'm exactly at the point, the traffic signal just before where the blast has taken place. That area has now been cordoned off. Sketchy details right now trickling down, Rajdeep. The eyewitness account suggests that it was an HR number Maruti vehicle which was slowly moving, in which the blast took place. These are the same words that were also used by Satish Golcha, Delhi Police Commissioner, while he was addressing us a short while back. He said at 6:52 is when a slow-moving vehicle stopped, and that's in which the blast took place. And surrounding by there, because it was a traffic junction, multiple other vehicles caught fire. 10 people confirmed dead, 12 more injured. Both have been taken to LNGP and Shushruta Center. But right now, investigation on the ground hasn't ruled the terror angle. But we will have to wait for a more deeper confirmation on the same.
Maria, you're also on.
यहाँ पर पूरी टीम है, जो बीडीएस टीम है, डॉग स्क्वाड है, उसके अलावा हम एसीपी हजरतगंज और टीम पूरी यहाँ पर लगी हुई है साथ में। वो चेकिंग जो हम करा रहे हैं, ये व्यस्ततम मार्केट है, आप भी जान रहे हैं। इसके अलावा हमारे रेलवे स्टेशन और जो मेट्रो स्टेशन है, संवेदनशील स्थान है, वहाँ पर हम चेकिंग कराएंगे आज। तो क्या दिल्ली में जो अभी ब्लास्ट हुआ है, क्या उससे कुछ कनेक्शन है यूपी में, जिस वजह से उस बिंदु पर भी हमारी सतर्क दृष्टि है। उच्चाधिकारीगण के निर्देश में ये जो चेकिंग है, चेकिंग प्रक्रिया जारी है। अच्छा, कब तक ये चेकिंग चलेगी और क्या कुछ जो
I want to go to Maria Shakil. Maria, you've been there on the spot. Presumably, this has caught people. There is fear in the air. This is a busy area near a market in Chandni Chowk. Lots of people gather there outside the metro station in the evenings, either commuters or those coming to shop. Give us a sense of now, couple of hours after the blast, what are you seeing around you?
Okay, let me give you a sense of where I am, Rajdeep. This is very close to the site of the blast. You can see there are entire barricades which have been put in, and I'll ask the camera person to pan and show. There are ambulances still around. In fact, the Delhi Fire Service vehicles can be seen as well. And of course, the Delhi Police, the special cell, the forensic teams are all present here to ensure that the investigation is carried out, the evidence is collected. I'll ask the camera person to also zoom in and show the multiple CCTVs, Rajdeep, which is there on this pole, which is, which would have captured the entire incident before and after the blast which happened. There are close to 4 CCTVs, Rajdeep, which is there on this pole. This is the place where this incident happened. And if the camera could zoom in and show the Red Fort. Yes, please.
Yes, you're saying there is this large police cover presumably there at the moment. People have been asked to move away from the area, but eyewitnesses' reports seem to suggest that this was a car which stopped at that light. The blast took place. Lots of other cars which were in the area near the parking lot all suddenly caught fire because of the explosion that took place. What are you hearing from the people around you, especially the eyewitnesses who were there a couple of hours ago, Maria?
Yes, so Rajdeep, just few minutes ago, we spoke to one of the eyewitnesses, Mohsin, and he said that he in fact captured this entire incident after the blast, minutes after the blast on his mobile phone. We have put out those videos as well. He said that such was the nature of impact that the neighboring vehicles, that the vehicles which were near the vehicle which actually exploded also caught fire, and they felt the similar impact. So that was the kind of impact which was seen, and it actually blew up in the air. There was a lot of fire which has been caught in that video as well. So I think what will happen now onwards becomes important, because we do not know what caused this blast. And just few minutes ago, Rajdeep, you also broke that story of how this is not linked to the terror module which has been busted this morning, which is interstate terror module, which is now being called as white collar terror module, which involves multiple doctors in several states. So certainly what caused this, is this a case of intelligence failure, is something which has to be explained by the intelligence agencies also, and also by the Delhi police.
As Maria said, the eyewitnesses in the area, a crowded area, wherein you will have people from different communities, both in Chandni Chowk and the Old Delhi, were coming out of the metro station and near the parking lot where the blast took place. We will listen into the eyewitness accounts. What did they see when that precise moment when that blast took place? There were few of them who are still traumatized by it, but a few who still were able to explain to our reporters on the ground what exactly happened when the blast took place. Listen in.
गाड़ी जो आपने आइडेंटिफाई की है वो कहाँ का नंबर था, कैसी गाड़ी थी?
मैं नंबर पूरा याद नहीं, मैं नंबर प्लेट मैंने दी वहाँ से उठा के, उस गाड़ी की आधी थी। HR नंबर HR 26 करके लास्ट में 7674 है।
अच्छा,
हाँ, हरियाणा की नदीम नाम, उस मोमडन का ही नाम है, नदीम करके कुछ नाम था उसमें। मैं इतने उसके नंबर के फोटो लेने वाला था, इतने एक पुलिस वाला उसे बंद करके
गाड़ी चल रही थी,
चली हुई गाड़ी जो फर्स्ट में जिसमें ब्लास्ट हुआ है,
रविंद्र भाई क्या नंबर है, कौन सी गाड़ी थी?
7674
कौन सी
है।
गाड़ी थी अगर आप बता पाएं?
गाड़ी में नहीं बता पाएंगे, नहीं बता पाऊंगा। आधी गाड़ी मेरे आगे तो इंजन सब फूका पड़ा है, गाड़ी आधी कैसे बताऊंगा? उसमें जो बैठे वो नहीं बता पाऊंगा कितने हैं।
हम ये देखे, लपट देखा, अपने छत से देखा, तभी मैं नीचे उतर के आया कि जरा देखूं कहाँ क्या। बहुत जोर आवाज आई, बिल्डिंग खिड़की हिल गई। हम ये देखे, लपट देखा, अपने छत से देखा, तभी मैं नीचे उतर के आया।
इसी तरह की कोई आवाज आपने सुनी?
बहुत जोर आवाज आई, बिल्डिंग खिड़की हिल गई, खिड़की हिल गई।